Hello everyone and welcome to the Toolbox Project. We're going to get started here by creating a new document. The new document is going to be called Toolbox Project. And I already have a number, an unnumbered version of that, but you could just call it Toolbox Project. We're entering into the new document and we're going to start drawing this. As always, we begin with a sketch. A sketch plane is selected, the top plane, and we need to change with our navigation cube to the top. From there, we're going to create a series of lines, and we're going to go ahead and do that now. And so here's our first line. It's gonna not look like much at first, but it'll get there. So we're gonna do a line first, and the first line is going to be 12 inches long. So let's just draw something straight down to the origin. That's looking good. Then we're going to go over, then we're going to go up. I'm happy with that. I hit the escape key and I actually need to do one more line, and it's going to be from here to here. So this is escape key again. And so this is the basic shape I want. This, you're going to alt click and you're going to turn this into a construction line. And then this bottom area, we're going to dimension this. 3.9375. This one is going to be 5.4375. This one is going to be 12. This one is going to be 1. Okay, now that all that is drawn and defined, the thing I need you to for sure notice on your own when you are doing this is that this line that's glowing is vertical. This is a construction line and this is vertical. This is horizontal and this is horizontal. Again, the numbers are, for the bottom, 3.9375. It's rounding. The number over here is 5.4375. It's 5 7/16, and then down here is half of 7 7/8. This is just 12 inches even, and this is 1 inch. We're going to finish this off by making one more line from here to here. That line just turns black, which means it's fully defined just on its own. I'm going to pre-select I'm going to hit escape, I'm going to pre-select the construction line and then go to the mirror function. The entities to be mirrored are this one, this one, this one, and this one. When all of them are selected, then it turns into a shaded in shape. That's what we're looking for, the shaded in shape. We're going to create a fillet. The fillet is going to be between here and here. It already is saying 0.25, which is a 1/4 inch. Yep, lock it in, enter, enter. And then we're doing a fillet between here and here, enter, enter. So 2 enters and 2 enters, and we get a small fillet there and a bigger fillet up there. I'm not seeing it mirror the fillets, so I'm actually going to go back to mirror, select a mirror line, and then why this fillet isn't going Oh, okay. I think it'd be better for us to do the fillets first. So this is a good example of the back button. So let's go back, 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 forward. There we go. Okay, so from here, I'm going to go to the fillet command. So from here and here, we're going to left click and lock that in. And then from here to here, we're going to left click and lock it in. And so that looks good to go for the fillets and for that whole side. So let's use the mirror command now. Mirror. This is the center line. We're going to zoom in, click, 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 click. As soon as we click all of the features, the fillets and the lines of the trapezoid body of the toolbox face, this turns a shaded gray. That's what I'm looking for, so that's done. And we're ready for our final feature. And our final feature is the hole. And so we are going to draw a hole for the dowel handle here. On the center line, click, drag, click. We're going to create a dimensioned hole that's 7/8 in diameter. 7/8 is 0.875. Enter. And this needs to be dimensioned. So grab this center point here, click. Grab this top edge, click. And as we bring it out here, we're looking to do, I think it's about 1 inch down. Let me redo my calculations. I have 1.5 inch on my paper. Let's see how that looks. 1.5. 1.5 to the center, which would mean we use 1/2 inch. No, I think it's more like 0.8. Yeah. Let's do it 0.875 down from the top. That looks pretty good. And we're going to go ahead and green check it. Now that we've green checked it, hit F on your keyboard, and we're ready to do the extrusion. Select the face, and the extrusion is going to be 0.5. Green check to lock it in. And we're going to go ahead and go to the isometric view to look at that. And we can see that we have the toolbox face with fillets and the hole for the proper dowel handle. Okay, top. So that's what we're looking at for the completion of the toolbox project, and that's our design and on-shape step-by-step.